Your mind decides who you are, not your body. Hi, I'm Sheetal, and today I'm going to show you asanas and meditations which will help you heal your thyroid naturally. The first pose which I will be performing is called Sarvangasana or the shoulder stand pose. To begin this pose, I'm lying down in the supine position. I'm raising my legs slowly upwards and bringing them to a 90-degree angle. Next, I'm bringing my legs towards the head by raising the buttocks. I'm raising my legs, abdomen and chest and trying to form a straight line with my body. I'm placing my palms on my back for extra support and placing my chin against my chest. I'm trying to maintain this position for 30 seconds to a minute. You can be in this posture for as long as you feel comfortable. When I'm done, I'm bending my knees and bringing my buttocks down towards the floor. Relax in this initial position for some time. The second pose which I will be performing is called Halasana or the Plow Pose. I am beginning this pose by lying on my back with my arms beside me and palms downwards. As I am inhaling, I'm using my abdominal muscles to lift my feet off the floor, raising my legs vertically to a 90-degree angle. I'm making sure my breathing is normal and I'm supporting my hips and back with my hands and lifting them off the ground. Now, I'm allowing my legs to sweep at a 180-degree angle over my head till my toes touch the floor. I'm keeping my back perpendicular to the floor. I'm holding this pose for a few seconds and letting my body relax more and more with each breath. I'm gently bringing my legs down on exhalation. The third pose that I will be performing is called Matsyasana or the fish pose. I am beginning this pose by lying on my back with my feet together and hands relaxed alongside the body. I am placing my hands underneath my hips while my palms face down and I am bringing my elbows closer toward each other. I am taking a deep breath and lifting my head and chest. I'm keeping the chest elevated and lowering the head backward and touching the top of the head to the floor. I'm pressing the elbows firmly into the ground and placing my weight on the elbow and not on the head. I'm lifting my chest up from in between the shoulder blades and I'm pressing my thighs and legs on the floor. I'm holding this pose for 30 seconds along with long, gentle breaths in and out. My gaze is fixed on the tip of my nose. As I'm exhaling, I'm relaxing in this posture. Now I'm lifting the head up, lowering the chest, and I'm bringing my head to the floor. I'm bringing the hands back along the sides of the body and relaxing. For better results, repeat this twice. The final pose that I will be performing is called Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. I am beginning this pose by lying down flat on my stomach. I am resting my palms by the side of my chest, arms close to my body, elbows pointing outwards. I am inhaling and raising my forehead, neck and shoulders. Next, I am raising my trunk using the strength of my arms. I am looking upwards while breathing normally. I am making sure that my stomach is pressed on the floor. I am holding this pose for 5 seconds. Now, I'm slowly lying back flat on my stomach. I'm turning my head to one side and resting my arms by the side of my body. Yoga unwinds your mind and let goes of the hardest pain. On this happy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Until we meet next, keep growing, keep glowing.